Well, hi, this is a video to show you how to replace the turn signal assembly, this glass piece. This is a 2009 CLK 350. The model number, I think it's a W209. Now I've already replaced it, and you might go, hey, come on, that's not fair. I want to see how you do that. But this is a little tricky, so it's easier starting from the end and working backwards. So this is the easiest part of the job. So let me come around here and show you. Once you get the mirror off, and I'll show you that in a bit, just push the side in. Oops, focus. Push the right in, and you can see that'll give you a clean shot on that screw. And that's a T10 Torx. You just take the screw out. And then coming around here, this just slides towards the camera. It's real simple. You can see there's the fitting, the electrical fitting is all, this is a solid piece, so just slide it out, slide in the new one, push it in, and then come around here, put that screw back in, and you're ready to go. Now the mirror is tricky. It's the $1,000,000 question, so I just want to show you how it works. And what I did actually is I took a pair of calipers, and there's kind of this great circle here, and I was comparing and just trying to figure out how the heck they engineered this. So there's a famous piece of wire clip, but I kind of want to show you the other attachment features. So there's these two tabs here and here on the mirror, and these are kind of ramped underneath here, and they go up against these tabs that stick out here and over here. And so what you're doing, and again I'm going to block it so you can't really see, but when you take the mirror out, you're going to be pulling it back, and that helps these tabs walk up the ramp and come disengaged. Okay, and then there's this darn wired clip, and you can see here there's a little post guy, and the wire clip goes into these slots, and then there's a little catch here. I hope you can kind of see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put the wire on. It goes this way, and there we go. So that's what it looks like with the wire on, okay? And you can see that this clip here cuts across the circle. You can see the little pokey things here that match up to this circular piece up here. So what happens is this wire goes behind this round thing, and especially that little tab, the sun's kind of hiding it, there's another tab up there. So that's really all there is to it. So when you are trying to get this famous wire out, you'll see this, but that won't help you, that pokey thing. You want to go over here to the left-hand side as you're looking at the mirror, and just take a screwdriver. Now obviously it's going to be harder because you're going to be pulling the mirror back, but push down, and see, I can do it with my finger now, hopefully. See how I freed that, and then just lift it up, and I can't do it so good and hold the camera. There you go. Okay, you see that? So now I've cleared that tab, and then I know that was terrible photography, but you get the idea. So this is what you're looking for, is the left side of this. Pull it back, and then have it clear, and then you just gently work the mirror from the top, pulling it back, and it'll come undone. You can also see here, just so you see, there's some little tabs. It's kind of funny, and they're at a really sharp angle to the circular shape here, and that again is just so they engage slightly on the back of it, back of the device, but not so much that you can't